Hello guys, so as seen in tarantula feeding video 30, my Phormictopus cancerides, Haitian brown bird eater, she's on her back, molting. So right now it's around 6:50 and there's really no change. Well, actually she is starting to molt now. You can see the new skeleton on the underside. Yeah, there's the book lungs, there's her ventral shot. So this could be very well be a female. I think that is. So I'm going to update you in half an hour and see what happens. Now about 6:57 p.m. And yeah, you can see the new exoskeleton coming out. Wow. This is awesome. I think she's probably going to be about a good 2 inches, I think. Right now it's 7:11 p.m. and I believe she's like half done. And you can see the fangs, the little white appendages. Wow, she's going to be a big girl. Right now it's 7:40 p.m. and she's almost done. Sweet. 7:48 and she's fully done. Yeah, this is a female. Sweet. She's very leggy. So now 8:45 and she's completely 100% done. Not a good idea to take out the molt. I'm just going to wait until she flips over and then I can try to sex it if I can. Yeah, she's a good 2 inches now. Shouldn't go very much. There's the fangs, all white. And I do see a sperm sac right here, so I think this is a confirmed female. I don't know, what do you guys think? So hopefully I can try to catch it when it's flipping over. And there we go, she's flipping over. Oh wow, she's pretty. So let's pull out the molt now. So here's the molt, I pull it out. So we'll get a good shot of it. That's the ventral, that's what you're supposed to be looking for. So those white stuff is the book lungs. And I don't know if you guys see some epigastric furrow, so I'm going to try to get a good focus. Yeah, so here it is. Zoom in a bit more. I think I see a sperm sac. So it's very likely to be a female. Great job. And this is how large it was. Now she's good about 2 inches right now. So, that she freshly molted, I'm going to give her about a week before I attempt to feed her again. And just make sure she's properly hydrated. But she did a miraculous job. I'm happy. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace.